two good things today, people. Shoot. It's not raining. That's a good thing. Bright out. I'm gonna get my glasses, I think. Blue! Anyways, second good thing. Look at, got a mouse. It's not raining. Yes, it is raining. Shoot. Just welding. Gotta do some. Looks like some wires came loose in the back of the TV and hasn't worked since yesterday. Weird. I'm gonna watch some more movies, but shoot. I think. Wish it would stop raining. I don't like it, people. I don't know. I don't know about the weather. Anyways. Yeah, that should be good for now. Could we? See if she works. Uh-oh. Darn it. Blew a breaker. Shoot. Lights came back on. Probably a good time to check the weather, I think. Shoot. According to my calculations, people, look it. Doesn't look too good right there. I don't know. We can probably do as good as they can. Weathermen don't know what they're doing. What the heck? I hear me. It changes. This is fun, Hey, what is your name anyways? What? That sounds backwards. Look at... I don't know what it's doing, but it's fun. It's fun, huh? You want to try it? Eric, look at this. Look what I found. Huey. Unpredictable, people. Unpredictable.
I just wanna play a game with you.
People? Hope they're not coming here, people. Shoot! Uh-oh. I think they're turning around. Shoot!